Have you noticed how the rules of money seem to be changing faster than ever? Let's uncover the Great Wealth Change, a massive financial shift reshaping how we earn, invest, and build our futures. Together, we'll figure out what it really means for you and me right now. The world is experiencing a major shift in wealth dynamics, and understanding it is essential for your financial future. The Great Wealth Change isn't that just a trendy phrase. It is a reality influencing millions of lives across the globe. This transformation isn't only about wealth, it's about how new opportunities and challenges are redefining financial security. We're witnessing a complete transformation in how wealth is created, distributed, and sustained. Traditional paths like stable jobs and predictable markets are being replaced by digital entrepreneurship, automation, and global investment access. These changes are driven by technology, shifting demographics, and evolving economies, making it critical for individuals to rethink how they build wealth. This movement affects everyone, from seasoned investors to young professionals planning their future. Whether you're managing your savings, running a business, or simply learning how to invest, understanding this wealth transition can give you an edge. It's not just about trends, it's about protecting and growing what you have in a world that's constantly changing. So what does this mean for you? It means you must be proactive. Pay attention to how wealth is moving, where it's being created, and who's adapting fastest. Staying informed and strategic will help you make better financial decisions that align with these new realities. One of the biggest challenges people face during this shift is economic inequality. The wealth gap is growing wider, and many individuals are struggling to catch up. While some benefit from technological innovation, others are left behind due to limited access to education, digital tools, or investment opportunities. Technology, while disruptive, can also be a great equalizer. Automation and AI are replacing certain jobs, but they're also creating new industries and income possibilities. Those who adapt and learn new skills can benefit greatly from these innovations, turning challenges into opportunities. The job market, too, is evolving rapidly. Lifelong careers are being replaced by project-based and remote work. Flexibility and continuous learning are now essential for staying relevant. The most successful people today are those who view change as a chance to reinvent themselves. Another area many people overlook is financial literacy. With so many digital finance tools and investment platforms available, understanding how money works has never been more important. Knowing how to budget, invest, and plan for the future gives you the foundation to thrive amid uncertainty. The impact of emerging technologies on wealth creation cannot be understated. Blockchain, decentralized finance, and digital assets are opening new doors for those willing to learn and adapt. These innovations are transforming not only how we invest, but also how we think about ownership and value. Some individuals are thriving in this environment by being early adopters of change. They're leveraging knowledge, technology, and diversification to grow their wealth. Others, however, struggle because they resist adapting or rely too heavily on old systems that no longer work. To navigate this new financial era effectively, you need both awareness and action. Understanding the global trends and adjusting your mindset can position you for long-term success. It's no longer about playing it safe. It's about being smart and adaptable. One key insight that can help you thrive during the Great Wealth Change is strengthening your financial literacy. Learn how money flows, how investments grow, and how to protect your wealth in uncertain times. Knowledge truly is your greatest asset. Another smart move is to stay flexible and curious. Keep learning, exploring, and testing new financial strategies. The future belongs to those who remain adaptable, open to innovation, and willing to pivot when the world shifts again. Diversifying your income streams is also crucial. Don't rely on one source of income. Create multiple pathways. This could mean exploring side hustles, digital skills, or investment opportunities that align with your goals. In addition to diversification, developing a long-term perspective is vital. The great wealth change isn't a short-term trend. It's a structural transformation. Those who plan ahead and make decisions with the next decade in mind will be better positioned than those chasing quick wins. Mindset plays an equally powerful role. Adapting to this wealth shift requires resilience and optimism. Instead of fearing change, approach it as a chance to grow and innovate. When you see disruption as opportunity, you place yourself ahead of the curve. Networking and collaboration are also key in this new era. Wealth creation is increasingly tied to shared knowledge, partnerships, and global connections. Surrounding yourself with financially aware, growth-minded people can open doors to new ventures and ideas. Lastly, prioritize continuous self-improvement. Investing in your skills, health, and mindset pays the highest dividends. The more value you bring to the world, the more opportunities will flow your way, no matter how much the financial landscape evolves. In conclusion, the great wealth change represents a major turning point in how we understand and manage wealth. To succeed in this new reality, you need to stay informed, adaptable, and intentional with your financial decisions. The key lessons are clear. Focus on financial literacy, embrace adaptability, and take control of your money. By doing so, you can not only survive, but truly thrive in this evolving financial landscape. Remember, the wealth game has changed, but that also means there are more opportunities than ever for those who are prepared. Start today, stay consistent, and watch how your financial confidence grows. If you found this topic insightful, share your thoughts about the great wealth change in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video, where we'll explore powerful strategies to help you build wealth in the new economy.